So what exactly is the product? At its core, it is a trading academy supported by tools, scanners, a duplicatable system, and live educators, all there to help you develop a practical understanding of the markets for yourself. We are living through a period where AI, automation, and technology are reshaping the way many industries operate. AI is also a separate pillar within the wider platform, which I cover in another of my overviews. On this slide, the point is broader. As the world changes, the skill sets we choose to develop really matter. A skill cannot promise an outcome, but it can give you more knowledge, more confidence, more options. For someone who applies themselves over time, market knowledge also has the potential to become an additional income stream through the skill set itself, not only through building a business. The Academy is designed to support you with that journey, structured learning, technology, and full guidance. It offers the possibility of greater flexibility, a deeper understanding of financial markets, and a capability that can continue to develop with you. That is why I believe this matters. The future will keep changing. Continuing to learn is one way to be better prepared for it and be with it.